Welcome to this video on SAP S/4HANA Cloud 1911 release highlights. My name is Young Hwae Koo from SAP S/4HANA Product Success and Customer Co-Innovation team. I will talk about what's new in Service in S/4HANA Cloud. Service in 1911 made a remarkable step to expand the scope much further after 4 releases. One of the big news is that Service Order and Service Contract Management are now available for 36 countries. We also introduced in-house repair as a new process available in Service. The supported scenario in 1911 is like this. A service representative enters devices for in-house repair and can perform the pre-check to decide either proceed to repair or send it back to the customer. When the repair is decided, a service manager can then plan a repair task and assign a technician to it. By completing the repair, a shipment of the device and a billing process can be triggered. It is very nice to have a quick overview on the status of the repair objects. The next highlight would be several enhancements on service order management. In 1911, service managers can use service quotations to send customers the estimated cost and required service conditions before placing a service order. This will improve transparency in service ordering process, which can increase customer satisfaction. Let's take a look at a scenario. A service manager creates a service quotation with the estimated price on the requested service date and sends a PDF file per mail to her customer. When the customer comes back to accept the quotation, she can click Accept, then the system generates service order automatically. The details are based on the agreed conditions, so she can work on it further for next steps. What's more is that service orders and service confirmations are now combined in a single working area. It is much easier to have consolidated view on the life cycle of the service order and drive actions based on that. Service contract management have also new features like printing contracts to send out the change process of sold to party. Especially, we can now measure service quality with service level agreements. This will help to set the right expectations by having standard SLAs that determine the delivery of contract-based services and control the pricing of services according to the chosen service level. The last highlight is the integration of the back-end service in S/4HANA Cloud to the front-end solution SAP Field Service Management. This integration enables a fast delivery of the field services, which will help to provide more efficient customer services. Once a service order is released in S/4HANA Cloud, a service call and the corresponding activities are automatically created and can be assigned to technicians in SAP Field Service Management. When the activities is completed, this completes the service back in S/4HANA Cloud. If you want to learn more about our service innovations, please check out Service blog on blogs.sap.com or Show and Tell webinar. For more information on the latest release, check out our central landing page, sap.com/s4-cloud release. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next update on Service.